Cow dung is used as a fertilizer all over the world in different ways, just to raise healthy crops. It have so many benefits, that is the reason of its so much importance. And overuse of cow dung can also leads to so many problems. So in this video, we are going to make a liquid fertilizer from cow dung, that have almost zero side effects. And it also promotes a fast and healthier growth on different plants. I will show you all the important points related to cow dung liquid fertilizer, so keep watching. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Cow dung is the waste of cows that we use to grow plants. Farmers also utilizes the other waste products, came from different cattles. But the cow dung is the only fertilizer that is used from ancient times, and it also gives us very delightful results in the plant's growth. Cow dung contains a high amount nitrogen, that is the need of every plant, starting from seedlings until the harvest of fruit. Cow dung contains nitrogen and phosphorus in larger amounts, that are required by every plant. It also contains helpful minerals, like sulfur, magnesium, calcium, copper, iron, etc. All of these micronutrients makes a healthy immune system of a plant, that further protect the plant from diseases and pests. You can use this organic liquid fertilizer on all type of plants, including vegetables, seedlings, flowering plants, trees, and indoor plants, etc. It gives a healthy green growth on every plant. It is not for more buds and flowers, but it's a great choice to grow your plants bigger and healthier. If you don't know so much about cow dung fertilizer, its beneficial and harmful effects, check out a detailed video from description box and I button. That video will describe you every useful thing about cow dung fertilizer. Now let's make this liquid fertilizer. First of all, you need cow dung compost. You can also use dried cow dung cakes. But cow dung compost is the best choice, because it is fully decomposed and very beneficial for plants' growth. You can buy ready-made cow dung compost from the description box link. It is extremely easy to make this liquid fertilizer. Simply take a handful of cow dung compost in a container, and add a liter of water into it. Put this container in a shaded area. After about 3 to 4 days, the liquid will be turned into blackish color. That means it's ready to use. All the useful nutrients have been dissolved into the liquid. But don't use this liquid directly into the plants. First you have to dilute this liquid fertilizer with 5 parts of more water. Must dilute the liquid before use, otherwise it can burn the roots. I have also made an article on making this cow dung liquid fertilizer, that is added in the description box and on our website Greeny.com. You can check out that later. After diluting the liquid fertilizer, now you can use it in all your plants. Try to lose the upper layer of soil before applying this liquid fertilizer. Best time to apply this organic fertilizer is in the early morning and evening time. Add about 200 ml of this liquid in every 10 inches of pot. Small amount for smaller pots, and large amount for larger pots. You can use it on flowering plants, on all type of vegetable plants, on the indoor plants. Even you can use this liquid fertilizer on younger seedlings, but in a smaller amount. This liquid fertilizer have nitrogen in a slightly higher amount, so it's better to use it every 15 to 20 days on every plant. Try to avoid using this liquid fertilizer in hot days of June and July. So this is the whole video. For any question, comment below. If you want to know about other organic homemade fertilizers, check out this whole playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.